By the way guys, speaking of visa, if you're planning to go to the US and wala kang idea or nahihirapan ka currently kung paano ba mag-process, kung paano ba yung application, kung ano yung steps para ma-avail or para makakuha ng visa, then you might want to avail the services of a highly recommended visa assistance service company here in the Philippines, which is Filipino Visa. Filipino Visa is a well-established visa assistance company here in the Philippines that has been operating since 2014. They offer a wide variety of services, specifically lang guys ha, US visa. All sorts of US visa, mapa-tourist visa, spousal visa, fiancé visa, well, except for work visa. Kasi ngayon, parang they're specializing on tourist, spousal, and fiancé, but soon, magkakaroon sila ng work visa. So, lahat ng klase ng US visa except for work visa, kaya na lang i-process for you. Itong Filipino visa, they are involved in all stages of your visa application. So, talagang yung process, no, yung application mo going to the US will be smooth and hassle-free kasi meron ka ng advice at meron ka ng tips na makukuha as well as talagang hands-on sila sa pag-assist sa'yo when it comes to securing your visa. Maganda rin dito guys ay they offer free consultation services kahit wala ka pang commitment, no? Kahit hindi ka pa nag-avail ng service nila. So to explain guys kung paano ba nag-work, for example, since I know that many of you watching our video are planning to go to US, no, as tourists para mag-tour, para magbakasyon sa Amerika, super comprehensive ng coverage ng services ng Filipino visa for tourists like us. Kasi hindi lang sila nag-a-assist guys during the visa application, yung tipong hanggang sa US Embassy interview lang sila tutulong sa'yo, hindi. Bale hanggang immigration. So paglapag nyo or pagland nyo sa US, as you face the immigration officers, they will brief you through and they will assist you. If ever naman na hindi tourist visa yung pakay nyo or hindi tourist, no, bilang tourist yung pakay nyo sa US, either fiancé or spouse, matutulungan din nila kayo ng Filipino visa. So, if you're interested guys to avail their services, I will link their website in the description box and you can click that para makapag-inquire kayo as soon as possible. Once again, thank you to Filipino Visa for partnering with us in this video.